Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to talk about the 4 best sites to make PayPal money for free. So guys, I'm going to give you 4 sites that you can go to and you're going to be able to make PayPal money for free. It's going to be no investment needed. You're going to be able to do this from home and it's going to be awesome online method of making money. Now, some of these sites are also going to be worldwide. I know that I've had some people reach out on my Instagram, my Twitter. They've wrote comments on certain videos asking for more worldwide methods of making money online. So here it is, guys. The worldwide website that I'm going to give you is going to be the last part of this video. So make sure you stay for the entire video if you want to know the worldwide method of making money online. Um, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All the thumbs up really boost me. I appreciate it. Guys, I know you are watching and have not subscribed yet, but you keep watching the videos. Make sure to just hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. I'm trying to push these out at least 5 a week. Um, so make sure that you subscribe, you're getting the notifications, and that you're leaving me comments about things that I can improve, things that you want to have videos done on, so that I can make sure that the content I'm pushing out is what you guys are looking to see. If you're ready to quit your 9 to 5, if you're tired of answering to your boss and you want to know how to make a full-time income online, check out my #1 recommendation. It's going to be the first link in the bio in the description below. Make sure to just check that out, click on it, take a look at it. I think you're going to be really impressed to see what I have to offer. You're going to be able to quit your job. You're going to be able to work from home, spend more time with your kids and your family. And all you have to do is just click the link in the description below. Check it out, guys. So getting right into this video, we are going to look at, like I said, 4 sites. We're going to start on a site called User Testing. Now I'm doing this site first because I found that they are the best paying site out of all the 4 that we are going to look at. So user testing is where companies want you to test their websites. They want to know how they work. They want to know what's working for them, what's not working for them, what they can improve on, and things of that nature. Now they pay about $10 per test, and a test is going to last between 10 and 15 minutes, sometimes 20. Um, and the best part is they're going to pay you exactly 1 week after each test, down to the minute. So it's 9:52 p.m. here. So exactly 7 days from now at 9:52, I will be getting a direct deposit into my PayPal account. Now, guys, I've said this a bajillion times before. If you have not made a PayPal account, it's really simple and easy. You just get an email, you get yourself signed up. It's also free, and it's a really easy way to be sending money and getting paid for using these sites. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to record your screen and your audio, but you want to just speak exactly what you're doing. I'm going to click here at see demo. I'm going to watch the video and do so. And then once you're in there, tell them, like, I really like the background. The font is too small. I don't think it's mobile optimized, things of that nature. So I would invest in maybe a microphone for this site so that they can understand you. Make sure that you are speaking clearly as well. I need to be able to understand and know what you're doing before you do it. But this can be done on a smartphone. What I found is if you have a tablet, an iPad, a laptop, a desktop, an Android, and an iPhone, do it on every single device because you're going to be getting paid for it each time, and you're going to be making about $10 per test. Now, if this is a site that you're actually really interested in, you're going to go to usertesting.com. You're going to go right over here to get paid to test. So once you click on it, it will bring you here. It says earn up to $60 per test. But what I found is in order to make $60 per test, you're going to be taking a longer test, between 30 and 60 minutes long. But I mean, if it's paying you $60, you can't really beat that. Now, not only do they have a website, but they also have an app that you can be using. So you're going to want to complete your task, you're going to speak your thoughts out loud, and then boom, 7 days from then, as soon as you complete your test, you are going to get paid. So this is a really awesome site. I highly recommend it. Definitely check out user testing. Another site that I would suggest that you look at is TryMyUI. Now, this is exactly like the other site that I had just shown you. So you're going to want to make yourself accounts. You're going to get on there and you're going to be getting paid $10 per test. The test lasts between 15 and 20 minutes here. But in order to sign up and become a tester, you must pass a test. And what this test is going to be is it's going to be like a sample of their work. They're just going to kind of like make sure you understand exactly what is expected to you. So you're going to speak into a microphone and speak out loud exactly what you're going to do and your views on it. Be very precise. If you like something, tell them it's great. If you don't like something, you don't think it's easy to maneuver through, let these people know, because that is what you are getting paid to do. So right over here, you're going to click on Get Paid to Test. It'll bring you to this site. What is usable testability tests consist of? So they're going to be video featuring your screen. So they're going to be recording your screen. And you're going to write the responses and a short wrap-up of a survey right at the end. So they want to see how you're going through their websites. There's no limit on the number of tests that you can do, but expect to get a few each week. Now, this is the reason that I am giving you a few websites to be doing this, because as you can see, it says you're only going to be getting a few a week. So this is not going to be how you quit your 9 to 5, but it is going to be one of your first wins on making money online. TryMyUI pays bi-weekly via PayPal. So make sure you get that PayPal set up so that you can get paid for doing these tests online. Okay, guys, on to the next site. We are going to go to UserLytx. Now, what you're going to be doing here is exactly like the other sites that I had shown you. You're going to be able to make money providing feedback on websites. You're going to be doing feedback on apps, on prototypes, on concepts. In order to apply and register for an account, you're going to wait for an invite to complete assignments. And then once you've completed them, you get paid $10 per task on PayPal. So you are going to, obviously, once you set up your site, you're going to log in as a tester. You are not going to be a client. You are going to be a tester. There's a lot of folks that are using this. You're going to just take a look at the site. You're going to be watching videos. Now, these are the organizations that actually use this site. Microsoft is using it, Google is using it, Philips, L'Oreal, American Airlines, the Washington Post. A lot of well-known sites are actually using this site. So you're going to be working with reputable companies, and they are also going to pay you via PayPal. Now, I've noticed that this might be somewhat worldwide, as you're going to be able to use in the US, Canada, as well as Europe. So this is going to be one of my worldwide models and methods of being able to use this site. So we're just going to pop over to how it works so you can take a quick look at that. So it's really easy, guys. It's going to be screener questions. You're going to have different tasks you're going to do, and you're going to be invited to complete certain assignments. So it's really easy. It's just like the other sites that I had shown you. Definitely check that out, because a lot of these sites I've noticed they only provide a few tests per week or per day. You can do as many as you want, but in order to do that, you are going to need to have a few sites. So you want to register and earn money. It's short and easy form. You want to join their global team of testers. You're going to interact with the web or their mobile app. They also have an app that you can download, and they will pay you via PayPal. Once your test has been approved, guys, I've seen the site. You really have to like screw it up royally to not have your actual test be approved. You really have to like stray away from what they're asking you to do for it not to. You will get paid between $5, $10, $15, $20, and a bunch of other amounts. You can actually you can actually make as much as $90 just letting people know your opinions and navigating their websites. So sign up's really quick. It's really easy. I highly recommend this site to everybody. Just check it out. Make sure you get yourself signed up for all of the sites that I've already listed before. So moving on to the next one, we are going to go to Hello Ping Pong. Now I had a little bit of trouble finding this site and figuring it out because it says ping pong, as you can see right up here in the corner, but make sure you put in hellopingpong.com. And this is similar, but it's a little bit different. This is also going to be one of my worldwide methods as well. So you're going to get paid like the other sites for testing their websites through ping pong. But in order to do this, you're going to be making $25 for a 30-minute test or $50 for a 60-minute interview. Now, when I say interview, let me just pop over to a different page so you guys can understand a little bit better how it works. That's the one we're going to go to. So you are going to be doing video calls. You are going to be required to have a webcam so that they can see you a little bit better. And you're going to still be navigating through their websites. But in order to do this, you are going to have to sign up. You are going to sign up as a tester. So you click on this, and this is the tester sign-up process. You're going to be using a desktop, a laptop, a Mac with a webcam or a microphone that can handle video calls. Now, I know that laptops come with cameras. They're really crummy. Take the few extra bucks, go and get yourself a nice webcam from either Best Buy or Amazon if you don't feel like leaving your house, so that way you have a higher quality call. You're going to use a Google Chrome browser for joining these sessions. So that's just a really quick download. You can go and get that at the Google Play Store. And then you're going to need a stable internet connection because they don't want to have their calls drop. Also, like I've been stressing for this whole video, you need to set yourself up a PayPal account. Now, once you become a tester, you're just going to log in and you'll be able to do these video calls and just scroll through people's websites. Give your opinions of what you think they can improve on and things of that nature, and they will be paying you some crazy money here on Hello Ping Pong. Now, guys, I really hope you like this video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. We love to see more subscribers. If you like my videos, definitely click on the bell icon so that way you get notifications for videos I'm going to be making in the future. And if you are ready to take the leap, you are ready to do the jump and take action in your own life, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks.